For any businessman or an able administrator,
anyone with an intention to do some innovative project, they have to have intuitive ability.
if your intuition is kindled, when to invest, what to invest, how much to invest, whether the project you are taking, is it successful or will it be successful or not, your intuition will tell you. But we do nothing at all to develop our intuitive ability. This is a sad thing. Neither our education system provides us to develop our intuition, nor our workplace, nor our environment. So we get so stressed, so our intuition is always under shroud, or we don't even tap it and use it. So we keep guessing it. It's like groping in the darkness. If you have a torch, you know exactly where is what. You can switch on the light. It's so dark, then you simply go on groping the darkness, trying to find a switch. Sometimes you get it, sometimes you don't. But I tell you, there are ways to develop your intuitive ability.
How do you develop the intuitive ability? Intuitive ability cannot be forced. You cannot pull it out of you with force. It's like a flower. You cannot make a bud blossom with force. It has to blossom by its own time, and we have to give some time. You see, all the innovation in the world has happened when people relax. When Newton relaxed under the tree, our Archimedes principle, we know what did Archimedes do. So, relaxation is the mother of innovation and intuition. If we are highly stressed, forget about innovation and intuitive ability. The first basic thing is you need to have deep relaxation. Number two, just relaxation is not enough. There are so many people just relaxing on the beach. They are not innovative. Nor do they have intuitive ability. What other thing? You need to be well informed also. The second thing is good information. You should have all the information. You should feed it in the computer to all your brain. Then you should relax. Number three is meditation. A meditative mind can tap the source of intuition, and it can come up with that at will. Everybody has intuition. There's not a single person who doesn't have. Many don't even notice it, take notice of it, they don't attend to it.
You have wants, likes and dislikes. All these may color your the so-called your thoughts or your ideas, your feelings. 90% of your ideas, your thoughts will be guided by your intuition. Then you'll be successful most of the time.